If you are thinking about using GoHighLevel in this time, you might be wondering, is this really the right tool for me? GoHighLevel is powerful, it's flexible, and it can handle almost everything you throw at it. But the truth is, it's not for everyone. And in this video, we are going to break it down for who should use it, who probably should not, and why knowing this can save you time, money, and frustration. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where I make business tool easier to understand so you can spend less time to stressing over the tech and more time to growing your business. If that sounds helpful, hit the subscribe and don't forget to check the description or the pin comment for the link to free trial and the special deals for GoHighLevel. Now let's start with who should not use GoHighLevel. First, if you are a complete beginner with almost no experience to running online tool, then GoHighLevel can feel overwhelming. It packed with features the CRM, funnel, email, SMS campaign, automation, pipeline, memberships, and many more. So for someone who just want to send a few email or set up a simple landing page, it might feel like learning to fly a jet when you only need a bicycle. So beginners might get frustrated and even abandon it before seeing the benefit. Second thing is, if your business does not require the automation or multiple clients, GoHighLevel might be overkill. For example, if you just sell a few products online or run a very small one-person business, then paying for GoHighLevel could be more than you actually need. So there are simpler and cheaper tools that can handle the small scale operations without the learning curve. Third thing is, if you are on a tight budget, GoHighLevel's pricing can be a concern. While it replaces multiple tools, the basic plan starts at the higher price than the beginner-friendly other platform. So if you are just testing the water or don't have the steady income yet, it might make more sense to start with some other lighter or the free or maybe cheaper until you are ready to invest. Now let's flip the coin and talk about who should use GoHighLevel. First, agencies, coaches, and consultants who manage multiple clients absolutely benefit from it. You can create the pipeline, automate the workflow, and even white label the platform to present a professional brand to your client. GoHighLevel is built for people who need to handle multiple workflow and want everything in one place. Next, entrepreneurs. So this is for entrepreneurs or the small business owners who are serious about growth. They will love it. The automation feature can save hours of every week. You can capture leads, send emails, SMS reminder, nurture the clients, and track the result all in one platform. This means you can focus on growing your business while the system handles repetitive tasks automatically. Another group who benefits is the anyone who wants to scale without adding the staff immediately. Since GoHighLevel can automate sales, marketing, and client management, it's like having a virtual team supporting you. So you don't need the extra employee to follow up with the lead or the managed pipeline, which can save money while increasing the productivity. Finally, tech-savvy beginner or people willing to invest time to learning, they will also be benefited from this. Yes, there is a learning curve, but once you understand the system, it becomes incredibly powerful. So the takeaway is simple. GoHighLevel is picture of serious entrepreneurs, agencies, and anyone who wants the automation and the growth under the one roof. So it's not ideal for beginner who only need the basic tool. Those with very simple business or people on a very tight budget, knowing this upfront can save headache and ensure you to get the most value out of the platform. If you want to try GoHighLevel yourself and see if it's the right choice for your business or not, check the link in the description. You will get the 30 days free trial link instead of the 14 days. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.